Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to evaluate 3 by 5 whole raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by 3 by 5 whole raised to the power 4. So the expression is 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power 4. Now anything which is raised to the power of a negative index can be written in the form of the reciprocal of that base raised to the power the mod of the same index. So the reciprocal of the base, that is 3 upon 5, is 5 upon 3, and the absolute value of minus 2 will be 2. So 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power minus 2 is exactly same as 5 upon 3 whole raised to the power 2. Okay. Now let's move on to the next part, which is 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power 4. So as you can see that a part of this number will get cancelled out with the first part, that is 5 upon 3 whole raised to the power 2 multiplied by, we can write 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power 4 as 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 by 5 whole raised to the power 2. Now 5 upon 3 whole raised to the power 2 and 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power 2 will cancel out each other. So we will have 3 upon 5 whole raised to the power 2 as our final answer. Now we can further simplify it by 3 square upon 5 square. Now 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. So this will be our final required answer. So upon checking the options, we see that option D will be our required final answer. Thank you.